Who doesn't love warm homemade bread? What if I told you it was stuffed with prosciutto and provolone? Then I told you can have this in just about 2 hours, and it involves no kneading. That's right, today we're making the prosciutto provolone bread. So good, so easy. Look at that crumb. Yum. For a full copy of today's recipe, check us out on Facebook at Poppy's Cucina, or just wait till the end of the video, it's gonna be featured right there. So let's do this. Alrighty, so the first thing you're gonna do for this super simple recipe, you're gonna heat up 1.5 cups of water to between 110 and 120 degrees. See, let's see. Perfect. All right, we dissolved 1 tablespoon of sugar in there. Don't worry, it's not gonna make the bread sweet. And to this, we're gonna add 1 packet or 2¼ teaspoons of active dry yeast. Now we're gonna give this a stir and give it about 5-10 minutes to let the yeast bloom. And while you're waiting, in a large mixing bowl, you're gonna add 3.5 cups of bread flour, or if you don't have bread flour, you could just use regular, and 2 teaspoons of salt. So now you're just gonna mix this up quickly just to get the salt incorporated with the flour. And once your yeast has a nice half-inch head on it, it's ready. So we're gonna pour this right on top of the flour. And to this, we're gonna add 1/4 cup of a good extra virgin olive oil. Make sure you use a good one because you're gonna taste it. That's a nice flavor. All right, and then to this, we're gonna add 8 ounces of diced provolone, along with 8 ounces of diced prosciutto. You want the prosciutto on the thicker side, so when you're getting it from your deli guy, as it's cut, it's like 1/8 of an inch to like 1/4 inch thick. I'm just gonna add this up. Now we're just gonna mix this together with a fork. No, you don't need to get your hands in here, just until there's no more loose flour. Just like that. Now we're gonna cover this tightly with some plastic wrap and put it in a warm spot to proof for 1 hour. That's all you need, just 1 hour. And during that time, you wanna preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Once it gets to temp, you wanna put your nice handy dandy Dutch oven or your cast iron pot, make sure it has a lid, and you wanna put that in there for at least 15 minutes to preheat this, because that's a key if you want a nice crispy bread. If you don't have a cast iron pan, don't worry about it, just the bread won't be as crispy. All right, so we'll see this again in 1 hour. So our dough's been proofing for about an hour. Our Dutch oven is in the oven preheating. Oven's at 425. All right, so now onto a lightly floured surface, we put our dough. All right, remember, this is the no knead. So all we're gonna do is you're gonna fold it in on itself, just so it becomes nice and smooth. Doesn't take a lot. Just keep folding it like that. Easy, easy. Just, you know, I don't do anything that's hard. Who's got time for that? Oh my God, this bread is so good. All right, so now we're gonna flip this over. Look at that. Nice and smooth. Let's tuck in this little bit here first. All right, make a nice little log with this. And that's it. So simple. Love that. All right, so now onto a sheet of parchment paper this is gonna go. Just like that. So now we carefully remove the lid from our Dutch oven. Okay, and then we're gonna lower this parchment paper and all into the middle. Don't get burned. Okay. I'll get my glove on. Just like that. All right, so then we're just gonna make a couple incisions on top with a sharp knife, like that. And now we're gonna put the lid back on and then into the oven, the preheated oven, for 30 minutes. That's it. So into the oven it's gonna go. So this has been in the oven for 30 minutes. Time for the big reveal. Let's see. Oh, wow. Oh my. Oh my. I wish you could smell this. It smells absolutely heavenly. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put it back in the oven now for 5, 10, 15 minutes, depending how long you want, to see like your level of darkness. Like if you want it really dark, you want to put it in for, you know, at least 15, 20 minutes, but then you want to take it out of here and put it on a regular sheet tray. But I would probably put it in for like another 5, 10 minutes. Oh, I can't wait. And just about 10 minutes later, it's done. Look at it. Look at it. It looks so crispy. But now comes the hard part. Gotta let it cool. Nothing like warm bread, but this is just gonna melt your face because it's hot. But about an hour, should be good to go. We'll slice it up and give it a try. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. Oh, and it smells so good. Yum. It's still hot, but I don't care. Bon appetit. Hear that crunch? Beautifully crusty on the outside. So warm, moist, almost buttery on the inside. This is phenomenal. In 2 hours, from start to finish, this could be in your hand in 2 hours. Can't go wrong with that. So if you try this recipe, let us know. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah. Love you.
If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Poppy's Cucina. Thanks.
This isn't bread, this is a meal. What about you think? You ready for it? I'm ready. Oh yeah. Alrighty, so for today's Cosmo Rita Caliente, we're gonna start with 2 ounces of tequila. And we're going to do 1/2 ounce of triple sec, 1/2 ounce of limoncello, 1/2 ounce of lime juice. And I forgot 2 ounces of cranberry juice. So not prepared. And then for the caliente part, 2 slices of habanero. Crazy talk. All right, time to give it a shaky. And we pour. Let's see. Look at that, looks like a Cosmo. But it's not gonna taste like one. Well, kinda. Let's give it a try. Salute. Wow. Oh, wow. This prices just keep coming. At first taste, you think you're drinking a Cosmo. Then you get the tequila. So now you're like, wait a minute, it's a cranberry margarita. Then you get the heat. Oh, it's not overwhelming, but it's just perfectly pleasant. Balances with the sweet. This is amazing. You got to try this. If you do, let us know. If you try that incredible prosciutto provolone bread, trust me, you will not be disappointed. It's out of this world. 2 hours. Remember that. 2 hours. You can't even go to the store and buy it in 2 hours. Thanks so much for watching. Keep those suggestions coming. I love you guys so much. Mwah. See you soon.